Hi guys, so what we're going to be doing today is replacing the N80 Evap Purge valve on my Volkswagen Golf GTI. As you can see, this is the new part that I ordered. So this part cost me around £10. It is a original Bosch part, but it is something that does need replacing after it does get worn. There's three different clips that we need to take off. Two are the old hose clamps. If this part hasn't actually been replaced on your car before, they will be like mine. They won't really be screwed on clamps that you can just unscrew. I had to actually physically break them off. So one on each side, as you can see, the silver clamp there. And then the last bit is just the ordinary VAG clip that will come off as well, and that should do it to get the part loose. So this is just a better angle so you can see me actually taking off the two clamps. So there's one on the left hand side. As you can see, I'm just using a flat screwdriver to literally break it off. And then there's one on the right hand side that you need to take off as well. So you will need newer replacement ones to actually put on instead. So once both of them clamps are taken off, it's quite hard to actually take off the big clip at the bottom unless you've got the right VAG toolkit to actually take it off, which I didn't have. So I had to literally pull it and twist it up so I can actually access it, which then allowed me to remove this, as you can see now. So once that's removed as well, so what we just need to do is take this whole part out. It is quite tight fitted in there, especially if it's never been replaced. So as you can see, all I'm doing is holding that bit there and simply twisting round and pulling at the same time, which allowed it to come out from that side. And the same again on the other side, so literally holding onto the pipe really delicately without breaking it, and just simply twisting and pulling to take out the old part. So now I'm just going to put on the new clamps that I bought, just put them into place where they will be going, just tighten up a little bit, just so they're in place. So once I do put in a new part, I can simply just tighten up the new clamps. So, and again, the same way the part was taken off, I'm going to put the new part on the same way. So there is an arrow that points towards the engine bay, so that's the way it has to go, just in case you forget, but it's literally going to fit on the exact same way it came off. Again, this time just push and twist at the same time, put it into the left side and then the right, and then all I need to do now is just tighten up the clamps and then put the initial clip back in as well, and that's the new part back in. So once I put all the clips back in, tighten up the new clamps, and then that's it, that's the part done. Yeah, it's pretty simple to replace, pretty easy to do DIY yourself without many tools. But yeah, that's all. Just make sure it's in securely and it's tight enough, and there you have it. There's a new part back inside.